Hey, I'm the Confused Ogre, and today I'm going to teach you how I make these flickering LED torches. Here we go.
Let's paint.
I'm starting with these 12-volt flickering LEDs that I got off Amazon. They're a warm light, and they already have the resistors inside, so you are all ready to hook them right up to a 12-volt battery. Now, the problem I find with most LED lights in terrain building is that the wires have to go straight into whatever you're working on. But I really wanted that effect of a torch sitting in a sconce. So to achieve that, I'm going to bend the wire so it's going to go right into the wall, but I also need something to extend down past. So I cut off some of the heat shrink and made sure that none of the wires were touching and extended it down, while also putting some new heat shrink over the part that I bent to go into the wall. Next, I got some 2-part epoxy to start playing around with modeling the torch. It didn't take much here, and really I'm just trying to cover up that heat shrink that I built and put a little texture with the back of the X-Acto knife here to try and replicate some kind of wood. Once that's done, I pulled out a sheet of small cardboard. This is going to be the back plates for the sconces, as well as the metal that's going to wrap around the torch. So I experimented around and came up with this little 2-part design for the back plate. And then I'm going to drill some holes in it to allow the wires to pass through. Next, I'm going to cut the strips out that's going to go around the torch, and I'm going to pre-mold them by wrapping them around the brush. Then cut them to length and glue them on. I found that the cardboard started delaminating a little bit here, so after I got them glued into position, I actually did another coat around the top to really help seal everything into place. They're not going anywhere. Next step was coming up with something that replicates the fabric or the cloth or whatever it is that's burning on top of the torch. I don't even know what that is. Anyway, I thought using some thread would achieve it, which it did. A little super glue, wrapped a bunch of passes around, and held it all into place with a little bit more super glue. Gave me exactly what I was looking for. So here we go. We're going to pass through the wires through the back plate and glue everything into place. There we go. One torch. It's coming right along, right? It actually looks torch-like? I don't know. Let me know in the comments. Now, before we put the flames in place, I'm going to do a quick coat of Vallejo Black Primer all over the work that we've done up to this point, making sure to leave that LED exposed. After several experiments, I landed on hot glue as the method that I like the best. Just take your time, put a little dab of hot glue on there and work it up, kind of spinning and moving and reheating as you need till you come up with something that looks like flames. Now you can totally paint them before putting them in place, might be best, but for this project I was working on, I needed to wire them in and I didn't want to have to paint them twice. So, in any rate, the way I painted them was pretty darn simple. Quick coat of silver. I'm using lead belcher here from Citadel on all of the sconce areas. Next, just picking a nice medium tone brown for the torch. It looks pretty bright here out of the gate, but I know I'm going to be putting a wash on it later and it should darken it down. Then I move into the clothy areas and do a light colored flayed one flesh. Here is what I'm using. And once again, I know once I put the wash on, it's going to tie it all together. As for the wash, I'm using a black for the sconces, the Null Noil, and then a dark brown for the actual torches themselves. Finally, put a couple finishing touches such as spider webs or moss, and you're good to go. And there you have it, flickering LED torches in the bag. If you like this project, check out the next video for the full build. It's called The Dungeon. Till next time, see ya!